Greetings to everyone. The community of Premanjali Bhairathi are here to present you on the topic formation today, new wine into new wineskins. The new wineskin in a parable is a container made of soft leather that is still able to dilate, allowing the young wine to breathe as it continues to ferment. If, however, the wineskin were dry and stiff from the wear of time, then it would no longer be flexible enough to withstand the intense pressure of the new wine. It would break, causing the loss of both the wine and the wineskins. New wine can be symbolized to the formies of the present generation, and the new wineskins can be explained as the opportunities and the formational settings with fruitful and effective solutions provided to the formies to form oneself to become credible and witnessing followers of Christ in the present times. Our presentation will be based on 4 E's: environment, experiences, electronics and digital world, and examples given by people around us. We shall begin with the first E, environment.
An appropriate environment is a very essential for our holistic formation. The formees must be guided to deepen their relationship with Jesus Christ by creating interior silent, serene environment, because this present age formees are coming from noisy world. Let us see a good environment of our formation house through this dance.
House of prayer, abode of love, warming hearts, our minds and wills, fountain of joy, faith and progress, molding us with finer skills, seeds of wisdom, light of truth, sown in us with Christ's own heart, flame of mercy and compassion, kindled with the vision bright. May we like a patient bee, treading his steps of charity, walking in sin with fountain stream, in faithfulness and humility, emulating our pioneers, we arise to spread our wings, remembering our predecessors, we harvest from their sacrifice. Loving Father, we thee pledge, make our lives proclaim your name. Receive us as your love offering in this blessed and hallowed home. House of prayer, abode of love.
We, the formies today, need to be emotionally strong and psychologically mature, which will help us to live with inevitable tensions, failures and frustration in life, to move away from our self-centeredness to other-centeredness. It will enable us to challenge ourselves and make right decisions. Physical fitness, sound and healthy mind is very essential to fit into the holistic formation.
Formies must be introduced to relevant pastoral, educational and medical and social communication, teaching the good manners and giving the opportunity to develop reading habit, essay writing, debates and speeches which can be helpful for the future apostolate.
They must have a golden chance to excavate their talents, skills by introducing dance, music, art and craft classes where the formies can gain confidence for their future lifestyle. Here we are to present about how an experience plays a greater role in the life of formies.
Hi, I am Dikshika Lawrence. Welcome you to our channel Premanjali and TV. Our life is filled with various experiences, that is, experience of oneself and experienced by oneself. Here with us we have three formies: Rosemaria from Kerala, Jyoti from Tamil Nadu, and Rose from Jharkhand. Let us ask about their experience in the formation. We begin with Rosemaria. Rosemaria, can you tell us what made you to choose this way of life?
I wanted to experience God and I had a great longing to be with Him. This is what made me to choose this way of life.
Rose and Jyoti, can you share what were the means taken to experience God?
Yes, using different methods of prayer such as conducted meditations, spiritual exercises, and time and means for the deeper reflection of his study to keep informed of issues and problems in the church and in the world, which enabled me to have an intimate union with God.
Formation has provided us various means of deeper reflection. Having studied about the charism, spirit, and the life of the founder, patron, and the holy predecessors has shown us the way to love God and to love our neighbor.
Thank you very much. Your experience of God has really impressed me. Do you think this experience of God has helped you to share with others, like the Samaritan woman who went out to proclaim to the whole village after she met Jesus Christ?
We as formies get different opportunities at different stages of formation, especially to share God's love first of all with my companions. We come from various cultural, traditional and linguistic families, but we learn to live in true family spirit, in sisterly love and charity.
To be more practical, we had the beautiful experience of serving the poor and the needy according to the needs of the time. In Mysore, for mentally disabled people, as a COVID warrior during this pandemic situation, it was a great opportunity to incarnate the compassionate love of God for people.
Our experience with the children who lost their parents due to this COVID-19 was also a great learning to share God's love to the marginalized of the society.
Indeed, I am glad to hear that. I think this is exactly the new wine and the new wine skin that you have been experimented during your formation. But do you think this experience can help the coming generation?
Definitely, our prompt response to the present situation has given us right orientation to respond according to the signs of the times. I am sure if any problem arises in the future, we as formies who are the future members of our congregation would be willing to reach out in time.
Formation should not take place within the four walls alone, but a lot of exposure to meet the people would help us to share God's love with others through our service.
It's true, but there are formies coming from different backgrounds like town, villages, cities, nuclear families and joint families. How do they cope with the same formation program?
In the first stage of formation, many find it very difficult, but slowly we are well explained the meaning of every activities. For example, today's generation is not used to any manual work or taking up the responsibility. But gradually we are initiated into the formation program to be more prayerful and responsible.
So you say that the formation program is challenging and at the same time meaningful. But what have you to say about the formators?
The formators should be well trained and well experienced to meet the challenges of the coming generations.
Keeping in mind the growth of individual, The formation should deal with every person in a unique way according to the person's need.
Your sharing has really inspired me, and I am sure it will inspire many other people who are watching this program. Thank you for joining us today. I wish you all the best for your noble journey of following Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to Google Meet. I invite you to share your views on the influence of electronic and social media in our formation.
As we just listened, along with the various experiences that we have in the formation, social media also enhances the growth of formies in the formation program. Here, we shall see about the impact of social media in the formation.
Social media is the communal interaction in which people create, share, or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities.
As a social being, we want to connect ourselves with the community one or the other way. Looking back 20 years and before, the modes of communication were limited only to writing letters to communicate with their families. Now at present, the arrival of technology, social media helps us to communicate with our families through phone calls, which makes us feel connected with everyone instantly.
Using mass media in the formation helps us to have a wider knowledge about the world. We are fortunate to be formies of this 21st century. Though we are in the formation, we are well informed about what is happening around the world through social media.
This pandemic has increased our knowledge on the social media.
But how?
Though the churches were closed, we never lacked in our spiritual assistance. Because of online masses, we are able to come together as a community and join with our brothers and sisters around the world in praying for various intentions.
To grow intellectually, we had the opportunity to attend internovitiate programs and other webinars through Zoom apps and Google Meet.
A formation house gives us good environment to educate ourselves in this electronic world by providing us laptops and computers with Wi-Fi facilities, which helps us to update our knowledge and to grow in creative ideas. Formation is the right time to use and to learn about the right use of mass media. And this is the new wine and the new wine scheme of formation today.
It was nice connecting with you on Google. Thank you for joining and sharing your viewpoints.
Though we had good environment, experience and social media, many people come across to us as an example to follow religious life. Let us see some of them.
There is a saying, the bread cast on the water comes back to you. The good deed you do today may benefit you or someone you love at the least expected time. Yes, in our life too, there comes before us many people. They are our parents, friends, neighbors, teachers, formators, senior sisters and saints who walked and designed our way for us.
Parents are the foundation of our behavior. They nourish the spiritual growth of each child. They are the first molding hand who shape our being. Their commitment and faithfulness to each other in spite of the many difficulties set us an example to dedicate our lives to the Lord.
Being in the congregation of Sisters of St. Charles Borromeo, we admire and appreciate our patron St. Charles and our founder Father Etienne Bressy, who knew the time and responded to the situation accordingly. Today, when we are in the time of crisis,
It is a great joy that we became new wineskins while we grabbed the opportunity to serve the COVID-19 patients. It is from our patron and our founder that we drew strength and courage to withstand the difficulties and to answer to the needs of the time. Our predecessors and senior sisters incarnated the compassionate love of God to all people and ventured themselves into medico, socio, pastoral and educational ministries, which is a call to all of us to live an authentic life. Their hard work, simplicity and humility is an example for many of us. As the formies of today, we are not exposed to hard life at home. It is a challenge, yet we find true meaning.
The recent martyr of our time, Father Stan Swami, stands as an example to fight for justice and stand for truth even at the cost of our lives.
The preferential love of the saints for the Lord is an inspiration for the young hearts of today. Their lives, which imprints the gospel values, invite each of us to walk in Jesus' ways. Blessed Carlo Acutis is a role model for our generation who inspired many by spreading their devotion to the Blessed Sacrament through the media. He inspires us to share the love of Christ in all possible ways.